How to solve this problem? Here is the simple way to solve the problem.
Hi guys, I'm today again here with some new courses that is provided by Udemy, and first one is C programming course and second one is Python for beginner course, and both courses for beginner, and start from basics to advanced. And just you have to first of all copy this coupon from here and click here on the link. You will redirect to the course. After that you can see this is 700 course from now, and this is the course C programming for beginners, master the C fundamental, and you just have to apply coupon from here, paste it here and apply. After that you will see this coupon is applied, and you can see that this is free course now, and only 13 hours left at this price, and just enroll as soon as possible so that you will get this course. And just be with me and like, share and subscribe so that you will get all courses on time, because all these courses for limited time. And what you will learn in this course: over 20 exercise, full solution video, animated explanation and illusion explaining hard topics easily, C structure, fundamental of programming, C programming concept and uses, input output functions, logical operator, and loops, array, pointer, recursion, and many more things. This course has 13 section, 28 lectures, and duration of this course is 11 hours 58 minutes. And second course is Python for beginners, basic to advanced. First of all, copy code from here so that you will get it free absolutely. After that, click on here. You will redirect to the course. As you can see, this is also 700 course, Python for basic to advanced, and here you will get Python 3 basic like data types and advanced concept. And here you have to just apply my coupon so that you will get this course free of cost. After applying this course, this is free, and this course is valid 1 day left at this price, so you need to enroll within 1 day. After that you will learn introduction to Python and Python 3. This course is also include Python 2, but Python 3 is running nowadays. You will learn object-oriented programming, data types, loops, conditional statement, function, modules, JSON XML file where you can read and parse the data, and learn how to make your own web scraping tool using Python. And his section 10 and 41 lectures, and the duration of this course is 7 hours 57 minutes total length. So you have to just enroll as soon as possible so that you will get 100% free. Thank you, and I will give these links in the description below, and just like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to tap on the notification button so that you will get all courses free of course on time, because all these courses just coming for the limited time and free coupons. Thank you so much.